Let's add animation for walking. Our animation window is here. Click on this small arrow and then create new animation. Make some name for the new animation. And same way as before, just drag sprites to the time frame. From previous video we already know how to do this. Click play to see how it looks. Okay, this little knight is running. Now more complicated part. We need to tell this character when to go from idle animation to walking animation and opposite. We will do that from Animator tab. Now we have both of our animations there. Right click on idle animation, make transition, drag an arrow to a walking animation. Do the same other way around. So these two arrows represent transitions between animations. Click on the arrow and on the right side in inspector we can see parameters of that transition. Set up duration to 0, no exit time, and now we need to make a condition when this transition is going to happen. On the left side of animator window we have a list of parameters. We will create a new boolean parameter, invent some name. Now back to the parameters of transition. In field condition, click small plus, find our boolean and select true. We do the same for the other way around, just select false instead of true. So this means when this boolean becomes true, our animation will go from idle to walking, and when it becomes false, our animation will go from walking to idle. Now we need to code when is this boolean going to become true and when false. First, let's create a reference to an animator. I will name it player anim. So in this part of the code, we already know when our character starts walking. And I will say like this: player anim dot set boolean. Then exact name of the boolean that we created, and then true. We need to create one more condition. If direction is equal to 0, which means that our character is not moving. And if direction is not equal to last direction, which means that our character was moving until now. We set our boolean to false. And update last direction. Save and let's check what we got. Now we have new field in our script, player anim. Just drag animator component to that field and let's check. So it looks okay. Our character is going from idle to walking and opposite. In next lesson we will make our character jump.